Atlanta Sounds.
Oh, bacteria are beautiful things to study. Have you ever seen bacteria under a microscope? It looks as if you're looking at another world, and you are. It's just a smaller one. My name is Elsa McConnon. I am a laboratory technician at Georgia Perimeter College, Clarkston campus. So we just turn on the lights, adjust it a bit. We go a little closer and zoom it in. There's this one organism, actually, it's called stentor. It looks like a green ice cream cone. It's gorgeous. You see it moving, and sometimes it'll just spring out as if to catch something and then come back. And it'll spring out again. It's very dramatic. How to turn on the Bunsen burner. First, you get this metal contraption that has a flint on it. It will go against an abraded area, and you'll make a spark. Turn on the gas, and then you light. Ta-da! Let the games begin. This huge contraption right here is called the autoclave. Think of like a pressure cooker on steroids. It's where we put all of our equipment or used tubes with bacteria to sterilize them. Put in my tray and just click start. With science, it's all about the question of what life is and why does it exist. Ever since I was little, I've always been interested in science because of its curious nature. In order to be a person of science, you have to be curious.